Sobrang saya kasi ang light ka-work ng Singaling family, the crew, the producers, the sing talkers, and the artists. Sobrang saya nila. And it's like a light experience.
Kumusta ang bonding as the whole Singaling family?
Parang family talaga kasi nung bago ako, everyone was very supportive. Like yung mga sintokas sila Yuki and sila Miss and yung ating mga joke bosses at saka lalo na sila Miss Kay, sila Sir Randy.
So, okay, go. Nakasama na yung boses mo. That's fine.
Para talaga kami isang malaking pamilya.
What is your favorite moments of kasama ang buong Singaling
Your
family?
core memory.
Yeah,
Yung mga
on this show.
off-cam, yung mga nasa backstage, yung mga kain-kain.
Kayo ba lumalabas after the show? Or pag may free time kayo?
Minsan, mag-coffee or one time si Yuki nag-aya siya mag-dance class.
Oh,
Yan.
Sa tingin mo, sino pinaka-maigpit mong kalaban?
ikaw.
Hindi siya sali.
Bukod
Hindi
sa'yo,
pa siya kakasali.
Hindi, ano siya, paging part. Nung time na yon, sino yung naging maigpit mo kalaban?
Kalaban sa kanila.
Ay, hindi. Ay, wala. Host pa na sila.
Isa sa mga host.
Oo nga pala.
Online.
Sino sa tingin mo yung mga magiging mahigpit na kumakana?
Sa vibe.
Sa tingin mo, sino gusto mong manalo?
Oo, sino yung gusto
Sino
mo?
gusto mong manalo na lang?
As a host, bawal siya as magbalas eh.
Ah,
Pero bawal.
bawal.
Pero how do you see the competition now?
Every contestants are so talented. They all have their own way of portraying the song and iba-ibang emotions. So yun. See?
Ano, naalala ka rin kasi namin na nag-impersonate ka ng, di ba,
Opo.
sa isang show
Yes.
sa kabila, di ba? Kaya, ano ba, paano ka napunta sa hosting dito sa did you audition or they got you?
Got in touch with you or something like that?
Singling discovered me.
Mm.
That really elevated my career kasi I came from TikTok and then when they discovered me, an artist na. So I'm really grateful for them.
TikTok with Kuya Kim.
Parang naiiyak ka, no?
Sayang may
Are you doing workshops now? I mean, together with of course the management. Did they put you through various workshops?
yeah, I've had a few.
All
So
right.
what's next after Singaling? Are you open to do acting, mga teleserye?
Definitely, because I actually enjoy the acting part. So playing different characters. So yeah, let's see.
Sino gusto mong maka-work? Yung sikat
Si Romel.
Yung sikat.
Sino yung gusto mo makapareha?
Yeah,
Or
maybe.
makatrabaho?
Any actors that you look up to?
Ay, hindi ko okay ba?
Malay mo gusto niya mag-GL.
Hindi naman ako lang.
Sino?
Sino?
Wait lang daw.
Either with TV5 or any other channel.
Yung unang papasok, Crush.
Enrique.
Ay,
James Ray.
marami pag sumagot niya, nagkakatotoo.
Oo, manifest natin.
Ang dami yata.
Kahit
Alden,
naisip.
Alden,
Yung unang papasok
Ding
pa lang.
Dong.
I'm thinking of good actors.
Ang dami.
John
Joshua.
Pwede, John Lloyd,
Joshua.
Ave.
Abe. Sabi mo
Lloyd.
gano'n.
Alright.
Thank
Isa
you.
siya sa ano nyo. Thank you.
Alright. Thank you so much.